Welcome. Today, we're going to learn something quick and incredibly useful, how to mark all your messages as read on WhatsApp in just a few taps. Whether your notification bar is packed with unread chats or you simply want to clear up your messages for a clean look, this simple method will save you time and effort. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once it's open, you'll land on the main chat screen where all your conversations are listed. Take a quick look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots arranged vertically. That's your menu button. Now, tap on those three dots. A small drop-down menu will appear with several options, including New Group, New Broadcast, Linked Devices, and a few others depending on your phone or version of WhatsApp. In that menu, look carefully for the option that says Read All. Once you see it, go ahead and tap on Read All. And that's it. Just like that, all your unread chats are instantly marked as read. Every conversation that had a bolded name or an unread count beside it will now appear as if you've opened it yourself. It's neat, quick, and keeps your chat list clutter-free. This method works perfectly if you're someone who receives tons of messages daily from friends, family groups, or work-related chats, and you don't always have the time to go through them one by one. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you can clear everything up with a single move. If you ever need to do it again, just remember, open WhatsApp, tap the three dots, and select Read All. It only takes a couple of seconds, but makes a big difference in staying organized. Now, you know the fastest way to mark all messages as read on WhatsApp without opening each chat individually. Try it right now and enjoy that satisfying moment when your message count drops all the way down to 0.